Yo, what's up guys, it's Grant bringing you another video, and today we're going to be doing an unboxing video. This is the NZXT H200 Mini-ITX case. It's replacing my Corsair that's all stripped, but that's my old case. But yeah, I know this was an old case, and there's probably like a lot of videos, but I mean I'm unboxing it right now, so I figured why not film. I got my phone out, gonna film some other unboxing for the new build. So yeah, not very big, which is what I want. I actually got this for my PC for college, so I'm rebuilding my PC that was in here in this little thing. The box for this is literally like maybe triple this, so this is much more convenient to carry around. Pretty sure there's a box inside this box, maybe not. But yeah, we'll go ahead and open it up. Yeah, but first dimensions, just in case you wanted to know, like if you're in my situation, you want a small box to bring around. This is 16 inches by 11-inch width by 18-inch height. I know the camera probably flipped around. It's 16 by 18 by 11. Alright, so I was wrong. There is not a box in here, but rather just the PC and the foam inserts. So we're going to go ahead and take this out real quick. You see, it comes in some foam. It's actually much more thick foam than the Corsair PC. Alright, so I got all the packaging off. I am going to keep this on just so I don't scratch it. Oops. Take this off real quick and look what's inside. Alright, so glass is off. Right away, I can tell this is a very sturdy PC. I literally paid, I think, $69.99. Newegg was having like a flash sale for this. This is like I said, this is an older case, but it's good for me. It's what I wanted. Then there is the H200i, which is not this case, but it's literally the same case. Its only difference is that it has a built-in Rgb Strip and like a controller or hub or whatever, so you can hook up to like their cam software. But I'm gonna be using Corsair stuff and like the iQ and also Asus Aura for RGB stuff on my build, so I don't need that. So I just stuck with this case. But yeah, very good quality. I can already tell for the price. This is like very solid metal, very heavy, and there are actually two fans. So for a $70 case, 2 fans is pretty good. I know like I've ordered bigger cases that have come with less fans. There's no fans here. I'm not sure actually if you can take this front panel off. It doesn't look like you can. But there's not much room there to put fans in between, so I'm assuming the fans will go on this side. This right here, this is for your SSD. I assume this comes out. This is just to help with cable management. You got some cords going back in here that will hook into your motherboard. I'm going to go ahead and take this off and also open this box. And the back comes with just those little thumb screws, and it slides out like, you know, most cases do. Put this right here. But yeah, here's some cords. I'm pull them out and see what we have. So we have, obviously this is audio. This is for the front panel. That's weird. They're usually like all separated and stuff. But it's all in one in this case. I know in this one it's like a bunch of little things and you have to figure out where they go. And then this is your USB 3.0 header block or whatever you call it. And pre-zip tied. These aren't actually permanent zip ties, they're just little twisties. And then we're going to go ahead and open this like I said. So inside this box was zip ties. I think these are fan splitters, something to do with fans. And then motherboard screws, fan screws it looks like. Oh, like, maybe not fan screws. Looks like just motherboard screws, a replacement thumb screw, and then whatever these little screws are, I'm not really sure. Sorry, I'm probably doing a bad job at holding it. But yeah, lots of screws. And the, I guess you call it, manual. So yeah, that's it for the case. There are these 2 fans, like I said. Here's the hubs. So those wires are probably to extend these if you need to. But yeah, here's the case. This is for cable management. This is, just, like I said, just an unboxing. I'm going to be building in this case, like literally 5 minutes from now, but that'll be in my building series videos. So if you guys are interested, just check out my channel. I'm rebuilding my whole computer in this new case. So yeah, look forward to that. Thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed the unboxing. I'll do like in a few weeks probably, like my thoughts on the case after building in it, that kind of thing. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.